Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your one-stop guide for everything mobile. Today, we are addressing a frustrating issue: what to do if you get locked out of your phone due to biometric authentication failure. Whether you are using fingerprint recognition or facial unlock, when these features fail, it can be nerve-wracking, especially if you rely on them daily. In this video, we will walk you through key methods to help you regain access to your device. Try alternative unlock methods. Restart and recalibrate the biometric system. Factory reset as a last resort. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to troubleshoot and recover from biometric authentication failures without panicking. Let us dive right in. Method 1. Use alternative unlock methods. Try biometric unlock. Attempt to unlock with your fingerprint or face recognition a few times. If unsuccessful, your phone will prompt you for a backup PIN or password. Enter backup method. Input your backup PIN or password when prompted to access your phone. If you have forgotten your backup, perform a factory reset. This will erase all data. Set up a new unlock method. Go to Settings, Security and Privacy. Screen lock to create a new PIN, password or pattern. Method number 2. Restart and recalibrate the biometric system. Restart your phone. Hold down the power button until the power menu appears. Select Restart to reboot your device. Try biometric unlock again. Once your phone is back on, attempt to unlock using your fingerprint or facial recognition. Recalibrate biometric data. If it still doesn't work, go to Settings. Navigate to Security and Privacy. Select fingerprint or face unlock and rescan your biometrics. And hey, before we proceed, if you want your phone to recognize that charming face of yours or your fabulous fingerprint, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Method 3. Factory reset as a last resort. If you are completely locked out and none of the previous methods work, a factory reset may be your only option. Keep in mind that this will erase all data on your phone, but it can help you regain access. First, power off your phone. Press and hold the volume up button and the power button simultaneously to put into recovery mode. Third, use the volume buttons to scroll to the wipe data or factory reset option and press the power button to select it. Fourth, confirm the reset and wait for your phone to reboot. Once your phone has been reset, you can restore your data if you have backed it up to Google Drive or another cloud service. And there you have it. Getting locked out of your phone due to biometric authentication failure can be frustrating. But as we have shown today, there are multiple ways to regain access without panicking. From using your backup PIN or password to restarting and recalibrating your biometrics, or even using tools like Android Device Manager, you have several options before resorting to a factory reset. Remember, always set up backup authentication methods and regularly back up your data to avoid losing important information in the future. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe to Wireless Solutions, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with more mobile tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Bye for now.